Hello everyone. This is Miranda from Twinkle ESL, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to design your very own beautiful teacher website for free. And yeah, I hope you really enjoy the video. If you're wondering why teachers sometimes design websites, it's because having your own website, even if it's really simple, can help you get a job because you can showcase your work, and it can also help you branch out on your own and become an independent teacher or even start your own business. So that is what I'm going to be teaching you guys today. I'm so excited. So yeah, let me know if you enjoy this video, and feel free to post your comments and your questions below so that I can answer your questions and help you out even more, because I am here to help you make the best possible website. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so today we are making a WordPress website. So the first thing you're going to do is type WordPress into Google, and you need to click on this link. So that's wordpress.com official site. Okay, so we're in and we're going to start your site. And we're going to make an account. So just put in your email address, a username, and a password, and you are ready to create your account. Okay, so the next thing is to choose a domain. A domain is like the address for your website. And I think I want my website to be called Flamingo English, but I really don't want to pay for this website every year. I just want a free website. So let me see if I type in Flamingo English. These ones are free initially, but then you have to pay after that. So I'm going to type in flamingoenglish.wordpress. Cool. So you can see actually flamingoenglish.wordpress.com is a free domain. So I'm going to select that, and it's now mine and it's free. So feel pretty good about that. Yeah. Okay, and then I get to this page and it looks like I have to pay, except if I click this link here, start with a free site. So I don't want to pay for my website right now. This is what I'm going to choose. Okay, so I've clicked on the link for a free site and my website has been created. Unfortunately, it doesn't have anything on it yet. So the next part of the video is going to show you how to make stuff for your website, so it's not just a blank page when people look at it. Okay, so this is my website, but there's nothing on it. And if I click visit site here, you can see that it's not very impressive, just has a lot of generic content in it. So I want to start editing that content and putting my own words and my own pictures there. So what I'm going to do is scroll down here to edit homepage. Okay, now this is my homepage. And I've got two options. The first option that I've got on the right is document, and the second one is block. So if I click on document, it's gonna let me edit the whole of the page. But if I click on block, it's going to let me edit a specific section in the page. So something really cool is this link here, which says change layout. And if I click on that, I can see I have a whole range of templates, and these are basically like pre-designed websites that you can use and it'll instantly look beautiful and super professional. So I can choose from all of these different templates down here and just get my favorite one. I think I like this one. Yeah, that's really simple. There's lots of white space, which makes it easy to read. and the photos look lovely as well. So I'm going to choose this website and click Use Layout here at the top. So you can see that my website is now using this layout, but of course, like I said, all of the content is just the generic content that they start you off with. So I need to start editing all of these things so that it's my pictures and my material. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to click on block. Here we go. And I'm going to select an area of my website. So that, for example, could be the top block. And you can now see that I can edit all of this information. So let's say I want to change the heading to Flamingo English. Just have to click here and change it. There we go, done. Okay, so the next thing is I need to change this picture because I don't think a picture of vegetables is going to help me persuade people to learn English. So I'm just going to click on the picture and click on replace. And I'm going to upload a picture from my desktop because I have a picture of a flamingo ready to use. Okay, upload the flamingo. Please work. Yay! Okay, it's worked. There we go. And that's a great picture. I love flamingos. And I can change what you're going to see by moving the focal point picker around here so that it looks just right when people click on it. I think I need to put it about there. That looks good. Okay, so the next thing is that I want people to be able to get in touch with me if they come to the website and they're interested in finding out more. So I need to edit this get in touch button. And if I click on that, I can add in a hyperlink and send it to the place that I want them to go to. In this case, it's the Twinkle Facebook group. Okay. And then down here, we can just do the same. Just keep editing, replacing these photos, writing your own descriptions for them. So that everything is all your content, all photos of you. And if you want to get photos from the internet, you need to make sure that they're not copyrighted so that they're free for you to use. A great place to do that is using Unsplash. So if you go to Unsplash, the photos are free from copyright, and so you can use those beautiful photos on your own website. Okay, so another thing that teachers often want on their websites is videos, because a video will help you introduce yourself, show your personality, and show your teaching style. Super important. So there aren't any videos in this layout, so I'm gonna have to add a block that will be a video. So to do that, I can use any of these little squares here. And if I click on add block, I'm gonna search YouTube. So I can embed a YouTube video here. Okay, and then all I need to do is put in the URL for my YouTube video. Okay, so let's put in my YouTube video. Okay, awesome, and there it is. So it looks beautiful on the page, it is professional, and it's looking good. The next thing that you're going to need to do is click preview. So let's see what our website looks like. Okay, it's looking good, it's looking fantastic. Now, really, really, really importantly, do not forget this. You need to check how it will look on a desktop computer, but also on a tablet and a phone, because most people now don't use desktops when they're on the internet. They're more likely to use their phone. So if your website looks great on a computer desktop but doesn't look good on a phone, you're going to miss out on a lot of opportunities. So let's just take a look. Yeah, you can see I've got some problems here because the top looks great, but this picture actually doesn't look right on a phone, so I'm going to go back and edit that photo so that you can see the poor flamingo's face. Yes. Okay, so I've gone back here and I've edited the photo so that you're going to see the flamingo's face, and I think I'm happy with the changes, so I'm going to click update here. There we go. So now if I click on view the page, this is what my website looks like. And if anyone in the whole world now types in flamingoenglish.wordpress.com, this is what they will see. Try it out yourself, see if it works. And my website is ready to go. And I think it took me probably about 25 minutes to make this video and show you how to make this website for free. I did not pay anything. So please go ahead, make your own beautiful teacher websites. Ask me your questions. Let me help you out with the content that you need for your website. I am so happy to help. And yeah, I hope this brings you some good opportunities and you're able to connect with students or other teachers and employers through your new website. Cool. All right. Talk to you soon. Goodbye.